Hey guys, it's Dimitri here, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to make a div vertically scrollable using CSS. And if this is your first time here, of course, and you're focused to improve your coding skills, start now by clicking the subscribe button and the bell notification so you don't miss any future video. I have prepared a simple HTML page, index.html, and inside this page I will create my div. So let's write our div like this. We'll don't do something else in this index.html page, and we're going to style CSS, basically to style this div and make it scrollable. Let's select the div, and inside this div I want to point overflow Y, and I'll choose auto, and I will put some height to this div so we can actually see this scroll. Height, and the height I will point to be maybe 1300 pixels, like this. Now we have our div, which will be scrollable when we go to our browser. Now let's jump to our browser. Now we're in our browser. Let's quick refresh, and I don't know if you actually see the scroll over here. We have our scroll. Let's just open the console so you can see the scroll. Yeah, like this, and this is our scroll. Now if I select the height to be, for example, maybe 100, there is no scroll. But if I select the height to be 100 and 1100, we actually see the scroll. So I think this will be for this video. If you like it, hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and see you in the next video. Thanks very much for watching.